This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. I am so excited for today's video because I was sent some shit, so let's unbox it. And first of all, I want to say thank you so much to Pop Boxes for sending this to me. They kindly gifted this to me. And they were like, hey, we haven't seen you unbox any WAKUKUs. Do you want one? And I said, yes, thank you, please. If you don't know what a WAKUKU is, basically it's like a little rebellious little kid. The essence of me, I feel like. Except this little babe has a unibrow. I do not. But maybe I should grow one. Maybe I should. And I'm so excited because I don't have any WAKUKUs and there are so many in this box. There's so many in this box. I can't wait to open them. Oh my God. But before we do that, again, I want to say a special thank you to Pop Boxes. Thank you so much. I love you, Daddy. And if you ever want to purchase anything from Pop Boxes, I do have a code. And normally it gets you 12%, but now during March, ooh, if you use the code Theresa, you get 15% off your order. And you're probably saying, well, why is that? Well, it's because it's International Women's Day. Well, actually, technically, when you've seen it, it has passed, but the whole month is for women, okay? So treat yourself to something fun that you could dangle on your bag, your body, wherever you want to dangle. Listen, I am not here to judge, but I am here to help you get a little bit more money off. So use code Theresa if you feel so inclined. So again, thank you so much, Pop Boxes. I cannot wait to open this. Oh my God, look how cute. There's so many. Oh my God, I don't even know where to begin. Let me try to make the box look presentable. It's my favorite pastime because I'm terrible at it. Oh my God, I think I did it. Well, kind of. The sides are still kind of weird. In this cute little set, you get 8 of them. However, there are so many options here because there's 16 regular editions and then there's 2 special editions and then 1 secret edition. I don't understand myself. But the WAKUKU on a Roll series, I am excited. I'm trying to not rip the box out. Oh my God, there's so many. Okay, wait, hold on. There's so many. There's so many. Hold on, I need to move my coffee over here. So again, this set has 8 boxes, but there are literally 16 options. 19 really? Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see if we are incredibly lucky today. So I'm gonna pop up on the side here. What do we got? Okay, first of all, I need number 5. I need number 5. I feel like there's not a lot of pendants that have like black or gray in them. And it's kind of a little gothic fantasy and I kind of need to have that one. I also love 996. I also, these numbers, I'm like, wait, I don't understand. Oh, we need to get 666. Okay, because we do love the mark of the beast. Oh my God, okay. I honestly, all of them are really cute. Number 3, I'm obviously gravitating more towards the green ones. Number 1 kind of looks like Cookie Monster. Not mad about that. If I had to say one of them that I'm like, I could kind of deal without, I don't think I have one. They're all kind of cute. They're all kind of really cute. Obviously we want the special edition. So come, let's hold hands. Okay, thank you. I have a feeling this is going to be either 520 or 888. I don't know why, but I feel like in my bones, it's going to be 520 or 888. Let's see if I'm remotely right. Okay, the card popped out. I'm gonna put that down. There are other little things in the box. I'm really just trying not to look at it. Oh no, it's not. I was not right. It was number 4, bitch. Okay. Whoa, hold on a second. You get so many different little things in here. Also, hilarious, which I thought, oh no, oh, that's so cool. Okay, wait a second. I'm happy to say that this is just a card. It's just a card. Who cares, right? Who cares? But you get this thing, which is technically the thing that tells you what it is on the box, which is awesome. So you basically get like 2 keychains. Bitch, say less. Say less, bitch. Okay, so hold on. Let me just put this guy in their little thingy thing. Oh, shut the fuck up. He's so cute. I like him because he's so mischievous. Hold on. Look how cute he is. Oh, his little unibrow. And his little dangly charm. This one is so cute. Oh, now you could technically, oh shit. Okay, if you wanted to, if you felt so inclined, you can technically take the little hood off. But why the f would you do that? That's just mean, okay? We gotta put it back on, hold on. Oh, he's so cute, I can't. I guess they're all little kittens or like little monsters. Oh, he is so cute. Look at that unibrow, all right? And this is actually awesome and a really cute way of saying what it is. And I almost, looking at you, Pop Mart, I almost am kind of a little bit annoyed now because I think this is kind of so much cuter than I did get the pin for love. And there'll be an unboxing videos for both of those. But it would have been really cute to actually have like a thing like this to be attached to it. Just saying, Pop Mart, just saying. But oh my God, okay, so that one's really cute. So I was obviously really wrong, but it's okay though, it's okay. We are going to press on. So let's do box number 2. I want number 2. I want number 2. I need something green. I need something green and fun. So I want either 2, 996, or 6. But I have a feeling this is gonna be 2. Okay, the thingy fell out. I think it's green. I think I ruined it for myself. No, what are you? You're 3. I was so close. I was so close, beach. Oh, but listen, you do have some green in you, so I'll take it. But it's funny. Oh, no, you do, bitch. You do. No, you do. I got my green. And listen, I'm okay with that. Okay, let me attach his little thingy thing to the thingy thing. Because you know that's thingy thing. That is so cute. I can't even. And then of course you get the little 3 over here. I love this color green. Oh, you're so fucking cute. You know what it is? It's really that unibrow and the up to no good. You know, this, I could see this coming out of me. Twins. I could see you slithering out. I could. He's cute though. This I think is like such a nice little touch. I know. I'm easily like swayed into anything as if you have something like cute, like a cute little accessory. And this just makes me happy. But listen, I'm not gonna lie though. I'm a little worried. Even though we have 6 boxes left, I'm like, am I gonna get anyone remotely right here? I hope so. I want this to be 5. And this feels like a fat boy. Ooh, maybe it's a secret. No, that one feels fat too. Okay. Ooh, maybe I got both secrets. No, I'm not that lucky. But let's see. I think I kind of immediately am drawn to 999. I feel like this is going to be 999, but it's probably not going to be 999. It's probably going to be 5, which I'm still okay with. So let's see. No, I'm not even right, but it's number 2 though, bitch. Okay. Listen. I wanted number 2 and oh, number 2 is my favorite. The color of number 2, I love. Hold on, let me put his little thingy on so that you know what I'm talking about here. Okay, first of all, he is what we call a mint dream, okay? He's a mint dream, but he also kind of has like a little olive down here, and that's so cute. He kind of looks like a little Yoda-ish in a fun way. And then, oh wait, we gotta put his little pendant on. Hold on, sorry, bud. Sorry, my little babe. But yeah, honestly, Pin for Love, because not only is it, I didn't even realize it's stitched right here, but then you also get this. Bitch, the shit that you get with this is kind of really nice. Like, shut up. I'm so mad at Pin for Love. You telling me we could have had something like this? Okay, this is really cute. Oh, I love that. It's also, I feel like bag charm inception. It's so cute. But yeah, he's my favorite one so far. I shouldn't be playing favorites, but like I can't help it, okay? I cannot help it, and I don't care. I don't care. You know what? Okay, so far we have 2, 3, 4, right? Oh, is this like the Pin for Love where they're all in order? Oh, that's so bummed. All right, let me see if my theory's right. This should be number 1 then. Let's see if I'm right. Fucking knew it. Oh, bitch, I knew it. Oh, so it is kind of like Pin for Love. Okay, first of all, he looks like a Cookie Monster, and that's pretty adorable. All right, hold on. Sir, we gotta put your hat on. Oh, I like the blue one a lot. The blue one is, she's that bitch. There's something about this color blue that I'm like, ooh, ooh, I love it. Love it. Da, 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 da. Oh, that's so good. That's so cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love, love, love. Okay, okay. But that's kind of funny though, right? Because I kind of opened it, but it was still 1 through 4. However, they were kind of in a weird way, right? Oh God, I don't know now. But I feel like they're a little bit like Pin for Love, shit. And I say that, which I'm kind of spoiling that video because I didn't realize at the time. But I was like, oh, I'm opening them up in order. And I was like, oh, is that what it's like? That sucks. It's a whole thing, you'll see it. But hold on, let's do this one. So then in theory, I should get my 5 then, right? Maybe. So, oh, okay, you know what? Hold on. I'm going to open this box first then, because this is where number 4 was on the top. So maybe this is number 5. Let's see if I'm right. No, I'm so wrong. Oh my God, I know nothing. Ah! Okay. Oh, this is 888. Bitch. What? I feel like I had to close my mouth. I was like, Oh, bitch, you are so cute. Okay, first of all, look at the little 888 right there. Okay, all right. Adorable. Oh, shit. Maybe you're my favorite. But you have a little thing that just says rich on it. I am not. I wish I was. Manifesting. Hold on. Manifesting with my bag charm. Oh, I love her. Oh, you're so cute. You little bastard. Oh, and it's a little ginger babe. Oh my God, we love it. You have no soul. Okay. This is so cute. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, this is too cute. Okay, wait, I'm gonna open up the other box then because wait, then this one has to be number 5. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, bitch. Okay, I was so scared that I thought I wasn't gonna see you. Oh, yes. Okay, let me put your little thingy thing on. All right, listen. The only thing though, I'm gonna say that I'm like, is that I wish it was truly not like Pin for Love in the sense that like they literally are like in the same order. That kind of bums me out just a scotch because you know me. I love guessing. I love being a psychic and that kind of takes the fun out of it just a little bit because I'm like, oh. But I think this is so much fucking cuter than the Pin for Love because one, this extra little piece, that makes a huge difference in my eyes. But oh my God, look at this little fella. This one is so cute. Okay, I think you're my favorite. Don't tell the others, but I think you're my favorite though. Also, bitch, we match. You know what I want to do? I want to like make him a little Ariel Monster shirt. Mommy and son going out. Oh my God, shut up. This one is, oh, you are so precious. So precious. I love him. Oh, I love him. Okay. So we have 2 more, all right? And then in theory, this one should be 996 and then this one should be 520. So let's see if I am right. 996. Wait. No, I was right. Okay, 520. Okay, yeah. Okay. No, I said this was gonna be 996. See, okay, so it's like in the same row, but like they did like a switcheroo. Okay. Confusing. Oh, what the I love that. Oh, these are, they're so cute. I need to get into more WAKUKUs. I've been like waiting because some of the WAKUKUs are like really big and I was like, huh. But these are kind of like the perfect size. That little hat. Oh my God. All right, so here's your this little guy. All right, that's super cute. And then we got this little fella right here. And then we have a little 520 stitching right there. And you get a little pendant. That is so cute. It looks like, I know it's like a little kitten, like a little kitty, but it looks like a little monster too. Adorable. Okay, so this one has to be 996. Bitch. Yes, okay, I was like, wait, hold on. I was like, I don't know about that. Oh, first of all, what is this Van Cleef shit right here? Do we have a little Van Cleef baby? Oh, bitch. That's so cute. Okay, no lie, I want to get the whole set now because there are babies missing and then we need to rescue them. This is so cute. Oh, I like that. This one looks like a little coffee cup. Oh, that's so good. Oh, you're so cute. I love this one. The Van Cleef is killing me. Little Van Cleef, babe. Oh, that's so good. Damn. All right. So again, this is the thing that bummed me out. One, I wish it wasn't like in an order like that. I kind of wish it was like actually a fucking true mystery in a way. And it reminds me of Pin for Love. And I don't love that. All that to say though, these are so cute. I'm really sad because I need to get these babes down here so that they can all be together. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go buy it. Because I need to find it because they're too cute. Okay, so in terms of who are my favorites. All right, starting with my least favorite. Oh, this is so hard because they're all so fun. Okay, I'm gonna say number 4. Listen, I like number 4. I think number 4 is cute. We started this journey together, baby. But I think in terms of colors, I gravitate towards this one the least. So I'm gonna say that this is last. That's number 8. But you're still adorable, and I love you. Then I guess it would be 520. Listen, I love pink. I do love pink, but I'm not like a huge pink boy. I think the other colors in this collection are far cuter. So that's why we're going to put 520 as number 7. See, this is where it gets hard because I think I love them all and that's hard. I guess we'll go with number 3. Number 3 is super cute. Love the little pastel, love this little hat, okay? Love the number 3. I love the color of this, but I think the other ones are a little bit cuter. So then this would be number 6. Then, I guess I would go with Cookie Monster as number 5, right? Is that correct? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. I know math. Okay, thank you. Number one, Cookie Monster is super cute. I think I would have liked it better if this color was the fur and then this color was this. If we could switch it, I think that would be like amazing, because I've never seen like a lot of pendants that are this particular blue. But the fact that we have this, I'm so happy with that. But sometimes I do love a pop of blue. Listen, I have blue eyes, okay? So I love that. So you're number 5. Then number 4, I'm gonna say number 4 goes to my rich bitch over here. Number 888, which is a lucky little boy. He's so cute. And I love that it says rich. I don't know why, it just makes me happy. I am not rich by any means, but listen, bitch, we're manifesting, okay? I love that. So this one would be number 4. Then number 3, this one, I'm gonna call this one Grogu because it kind of just reminds me of fucking Baby Yoda. But number 2, I love the colors of these. I love the mints, this little mint dream over here. I love this kind of sage green. I love like this kind of brown, almost like a light brown olivey kind of, I don't know, it's like a, I guess it's more brown than anything, but number 2, I just love the whole kind of vibe and the aesthetic of it. But I think I like the Van Cleef one just a little bit more because one, I'm never gonna buy a Van Cleef bracelet. First of all, my wrist is far too fat for that shit. But I am more than happy to have my pendants have a Van Cleef something or other. So I think that's why I like this so much, because this one is like a true influencer, you know? The only thing we need to do is have their teeth done, okay? That's when you know I've made it big, when I've actually knocked my teeth out and now I have such big chompers I can't close my mouth. That's when you know I had that Mr. Beast money, okay? So it's never gonna happen, so enjoy it. That's the only thing that's keeping us a little grounded, right, is our teethies. But yeah, no, Van Cleef would be number 2. Number 1 though, this one is so good. I could see myself wearing this one all the time. Okay, number 5, first of all, we love 5. Love 5. Johnny 5, I'm trying to think of other 5 things. 5 below, I don't really like, I guess 5 below is all right. Whatever. Anyway, 5 is cool. But I love this because it looks like a little monster, even though it's a little cat. I think he looks like a little monster. And I love the gray and the gray and the dark gray. He is so cute. I like the pendant that says 5. You have a little stitching here that says 5. Like, yo, that's my heart. Van Cleef and that one is like, I'm in love with. But overall, I had a lot of fun, and now I'm really sad because I want the other ones now. I need 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 100, 666, and 999. I need 666. Okay, we need that devil up in this bitch. I'm Theresa's dead after all. But oh man, this was fun. Okay. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below which one was your favorite, and if you have any WAKUKUs, and if you do actually have WAKUKUs, which series is your favorite WAKUKU? Because I think these are kind of fucking killing it. Like, they're the perfect size. Like, you are the perfect little babes. And again, extra shit. Pin for love. Why couldn't you do this? Oh my God. Instead, they released like 2 different sets. Like, come on, bitch. You could have done the same thing. Oh, it's like WAKUKU saw the mistakes that Pin for Love made and was like, here, sit down, bitch. Okay. I love it. All right. Anyway, let me know which one was your favorite. And of course, again, thank you so much, Pop Boxes. And if you are interested, definitely use the code Theresa. You can get 15% off your order just for the whole month of March. After that, it goes back down to 12%. So if you're interested, go check it out. There are a lot of fun things. Actually, there's gonna be a video coming up this month that I wind up purchasing a Lulu Piggy set, which I'm actually gonna unbox after this video. And I'm so excited because Lulu Piggy is amazing. So yes, while they do sponsor me, I am a customer. Okay, so we love Pop Boxes here. We love them. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.